Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to enable TurnItIn two different ways. One that's integrated into Canvas and one that's used externally outside. So I'm gonna go to the class I'm in. So I'm a teacher assistant for this class. Okay. So I'm gonna create an assignment to use for TurnItIn. So let's do this. Test. So they're under submission type. There are three different tools. So there's one online, on paper, external tool. So you click here, online, and there are different options. And we want to enable the option for TurnItIn submission. Click here, and click here for advanced TurnItIn settings. So there are many options. So first one is students can see the original report. So they can see immediately after the assignment's graded, after the due date, or they never get to see it. And you can change the settings for comparing against with other students, the internet database, journals, periodicals, and publications. You can also not consider the bibliography material, quoted materials, and small matches, which are tiny adjustments. And you can enable TurnItIn repository, which means it gets stored inside the database for TurnItIn. That's something separate in Canvas. So update settings. So this is the first way of using the TurnItIn, which is integrated into Canvas. The second way of enabling TurnItIn is you go through here, same place, click on external tool, find, scroll all the way down until you see TurnItIn. Now we scroll down. Just save the assignment for now. And then on the 3 dash here, click here, settings. And right here is the different descriptions you can make for the assignment and optional settings here. So right now this is using TurnItIn externally, which is outside of Canvas, which have a lot more functionalities, which I'll go over. So you could allow late submissions, yes or no, compare submitted papers against the following sources. So with other student paper repository, with the current and archived website content, or periodical journals and publications. Right here is submitting report generations and resubmissions. So you have 3 options. You could choose to generate reports immediately, or where resubmissions are not allowed. You could generate reports immediately where resubmissions are not allowed until due dates, or generate reports on the due date and resubmissions are allowed until the due date. Right here, you could exclude bibliography materials from similar index for all papers in the assignment. You could exclude quoted materials from other papers of the assignment. You could enable anonymous marking, exclude small matches, allow students to view originality reports. You can also do submissions to this assignment will be stored in the standard paper repository, or you don't want them to be stored in the submitted papers. You can add peer marks assignments. You can also attach a rubric to this assignment, where students will be able to view attached rubrics and rubric content prior to submitting. So you can also enable grammar checking using this application, and you can also ask would you like to save these options as a default for future assignments. So this is pretty much how you could use the 2 different ways to use TurnItIn. Thank you for watching the video.